A weed is a plant that is in the wrong place. Often, the insects or animals that eat them in their place of origin are absent in Australia, so they grow without having the normal ecological controls, outcompeting all local plant species around them.
So the 5 most invasive weed species that you'll find in Banyule will be blackberries, you'll find bridal creeper, your Nacella species such as chili needlegrass and serrated tussock, woody weed species such as boxthorn, hawthorn, privet, prunus and tradescantia. Weeds are a problem in Banyule because they outcompete our native vegetation. They create homes for invasive pest species such as foxes and rabbits. There's 3 main ways that residents can help us control weeds. The first one is to dump all green waste into the green waste bins that are provided. It's much better than actually finding any sort of weed turning up in a reserve or in the waterways which choke them up. The second way is to plant local indigenous species. These help to attract local birds to your area. You can actually get a 2-for-1 voucher through the council. And the third way is to control weeds within your garden. Some of the ways you can do this would be to mulch. You can steam your weeds, herbicide, giving them a spray, hand weeding, and cut and paint. So this is one of the woody weed species that we control. You can see quite clearly that it's starting to spring up some seeds from the mother plant. The best way for us to control this one is to use a technique called cut and paint, which I'll demonstrate now. So we're just using any sort of herbicide you can get at a hardware store. We're managing to control weeds within Banyule. There's still an ongoing problem for us. It's an ongoing cost. Residents can really help us out by controlling weeds on their property or participating in any community days that we have within Banyule.
For more information about weeds in Banyule, contact the Banyule Environment Team.